Americans have been chasing the perfect whiskey for over 2 centuries, knocking back millions of cases annually. But most bottles contain spirits harsh enough to strip varnish. Some whiskeys deliver smooth, complex satisfaction. Others serve up rough, forgettable swill that exists solely to help you forget you drank it. Today we're ranking whiskey brands from absolute bottom-shelf disasters to legitimate liquid gold sippers. Subscribe and let's pour the truth about American whiskey. Bulleit struts around, wearing craft credentials like a borrowed suit, complete with frontier imagery and Augustus Bulleit's 1830s recipe stories. The brand positions itself as authentic craft bourbon connecting modern drinkers to whiskey's rebellious past. Reality? Bulleit is produced by corporate giants using industrial methods, then marketed with frontier mythology to make Buffalo Bill blush. The craft positioning is pure theater, justifying premium prices for mass-produced bourbon. The high rye mash bill creates sharp spice cutting through caramel sweetness, delivering bourbon with personality that stands out in cocktails. Dried orange peel and dry finish make it bartender-friendly for classic whiskey drinks requiring bold flavors. The problem is, bold doesn't equal good when boldness comes from harsh edges rather than complex development. Bulleit tastes like bourbon trying too hard, creating aggressive rather than sophisticated profiles. This represents everything cynical about modern whiskey marketing, taking industrial production, wrapping it in craft mythology, and charging premiums for the privilege of being deceived. Crown Royal emerged in 1939 as a gift for King George VI's Canadian visit, creating whiskey smooth enough to charm the crown jewels off the Queen Mother. The brand built its reputation on silky texture and approachable flavor, making Canadian whiskey accessible to American palates. This became America's favorite imported spirit by mastering the art of being inoffensive, while remaining interesting enough to justify premium pricing. Crown Royal succeeded where other Canadian whiskeys failed by understanding Americans wanted sophistication without intimidation. Vanilla and brown sugar notes create dessert-like sweetness appealing to drinkers who think whiskey should taste like liquid candy. Light oak influence provides just enough complexity to justify calling it whiskey rather than flavored vodka. The smoothness that made Crown Royal famous also makes it forgettable. Whiskey so polite it apologizes for existing. The finish vanishes instantly, leaving sweet memories and vague impressions of having consumed alcohol. Crown Royal proves being smooth isn't being good. Sometimes products succeed by being the least offensive option rather than the most excellent.
Have a scotch on the rocks, please. Any scotch will do, as long as it's not a blend, of course. Single malt. Glenlivet, Glenfiddich, perhaps, maybe even a Glengow, any Glen.
Scotch on the rocks.
Glenfiddich 12 has been introducing Americans to single malt since 1963, when the distillery decided Americans might appreciate whiskey not blended into submission. This became single malt's training wheels, teaching generations that Scotch could be approachable without being insulting. The Speyside distillery perfected whiskey that's sophisticated enough for connoisseurs while accessible to newcomers. Glenfiddich 12 occupies the sweet spot between complexity and approachability that most whiskeys either overshoot or undershoot completely. Green apple and pear notes create fresh, clean flavors that don't intimidate drinkers, thinking all Scotch tastes like liquid smoke, and regret malt sweetness provides richness without overwhelming, while subtle oak adds complexity to keep things interesting. The problem is that a great introduction doesn't make you a great single malt. Glenfiddich 12 succeeds as training wheels, but training wheels are meant to be removed once you learn to ride. This represents the gateway product challenge. They must be good enough to create interest while simple enough not to scare beginners. Sometimes being perfectly adequate is both strength and limitation. Now we're done with the pretenders and the compromises. Hit that subscribe button because the next 7 bottles are the real heavy hitters that remind you why whiskey became America's favorite spirit in the first place. Knob Creek stomps in at 100 proof, wearing small batch credentials like armor, refusing to play the smooth-talking game, turning too many bourbons into apologetic whiskey-flavored water. This emerged from Jim Beam's premium lineup in 1992 when Booker No decided bourbon should actually taste like bourbon, instead of catering to people who don't like whiskey. The brand positioned itself as pre-prohibition style bourbon for drinkers wanting whiskey with backbone, instead of participation trophies. Knob Creek succeeded by zigging while the industry zagged, doubling down on flavor and proof while competitors raced towards smoothness and accessibility. The 9-year age statement delivers oak influence that's earned rather than faked, creating depth, justifying the wait. Caramel and toasted nut notes hit with enough authority to remind you whiskey used to mean something before focus groups got involved, while vanilla sweetness keeps things from becoming aggressive. Higher proof creates heat that warms rather than burns, delivering a satisfying intensity that makes you understand why bourbon became America's native spirit. This is bourbon demanding attention without being obnoxious, complex enough to sip slowly, while bold enough to handle ice without disappearing. The finish lingers with oak and spice that fades gradually rather than vanishing instantly. Knob Creek proves Jim Beam knows how to make quality bourbon when they're not mass-producing bottom-shelf offerings, creating whiskey that earns respect through character rather than marketing mythology. Woodford Reserve carries itself like bourbon in a well-tailored tuxedo, polished, composed, and appropriate for occasions requiring actual pants. This small batch bourbon emerged with sophisticated marketing, making other bourbons feel underdressed. The brand positioned itself as premium bourbon for discerning drinkers wanting sophistication without pretension. Woodford succeeded by creating bourbon that felt special enough for celebrations, while approachable enough for regular consumption. Finally, bourbon that tastes like the people making it actually drink bourbon, caramel, orange peel, cocoa, and roasted oak notes, creating layers without becoming overwhelming. Silky mouthfeel and a long finish justify premium pricing through actual quality improvements. The presentation is restaurant quality without intimidation, creating bourbon working equally well in upscale cocktail bars and backyard barbecues. Consistency across batches builds trust that every bottle delivers the same satisfying experience. Woodford Reserve proves premium positioning can be justified when backed by actual premium quality. Sometimes paying more gets you more, and sometimes that's exactly what you want. Four Roses operates like the whiskey world's best-kept secret, quietly producing exceptional bourbon, while other brands spend budgets on marketing campaigns and celebrity endorsements. This distillery perfected letting the liquid do the talking, creating bourbon that wins through quality rather than hype. The brand's commitment to experimenting with 10 different recipes and 2 mash bills creates complexity. Most distilleries achieve through accident rather than intention. Four Roses understands great bourbon comes from understanding the science behind the art. Floral rye and honey notes create sophisticated profiles rewarding careful tasting while remaining approachable for casual drinking. Toffee sweetness balances perfectly with slow-building warmth, creating bourbon that evolves in your glass rather than hitting you with everything at once. The clean finish demonstrates proper distillation, eliminating harsh edges without sacrificing character. This is bourbon for people who actually want to taste bourbon rather than just feel alcohol burn. Four Roses proves the best products often come from companies focusing on craftsmanship rather than marketing. Sometimes the quietest voices have the most important things to say. Wild Turkey 101 wears its proof like a badge of honor, refusing to apologize for being bold in an industry increasingly obsessed with smoothness over character. This is bourbon for bikers, construction workers, and for anyone who doesn't flinch at 101 proof and thinks smooth is what you call whiskey that's afraid to taste like anything. Master distiller Jimmy Russell created bourbon, delivering exactly what it promises. Full-flavor whiskey that doesn't hide behind marketing gimmicks or artificial smoothness. Wild Turkey 101 succeeds by being authentically itself, rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Cherry, cinnamon, and caramel notes create robust flavors standing up to ice, mixers, or careful sipping. Oak influence provides structure without overwhelming fruit and spice notes, while heat reminds you you're drinking actual whiskey rather than whiskey-flavored water. The finish has enough warmth to remind you why bourbon was invented, to provide comfort, satisfaction, and liquid courage, making life's challenges seem manageable. This is bourbon earning reputation through performance rather than promises. Wild Turkey 101 proves authenticity never goes out of style. Sometimes the best products are those refusing to compromise their identity to chase trends. Jameson has been bringing people together since 1780, when John Jameson decided Irish whiskey should be smooth enough to drink and social enough to share. This triple distilled whiskey became America's most popular shot through understanding what people actually want from drinking experiences. The brand succeeded by recognizing most whiskey consumption happens in social settings where smoothness matters more than complexity. Jameson created whiskey facilitating conversation rather than dominating it, understanding sometimes the best whiskey gets out of its own way. Green apple and vanilla notes create clean, approachable flavors that don't intimidate newcomers, while providing enough character to satisfy experienced drinkers. The absence of smoke or aggressive spice makes whiskey that brings people together rather than dividing them into camps. Triple distillation creates smoothness, earned through technique, rather than achieved through dilution. This is whiskey going down easy because it's made properly, not because it's been watered down into submission. Jameson proves being popular doesn't require sacrificing quality. Sometimes the most successful products succeed because they understand their role in people's lives, rather than trying to be something they're not. Buffalo Trace represents everything right about American bourbon. Quality that's accessible, complexity that's approachable, and pricing that doesn't require a trust fund to enjoy regularly. This bourbon emerged from the Buffalo Trace distillery with honest excellence, making other spirits seem pretentious by comparison. The distillery's commitment to traditional methods creates bourbon that tastes like bourbon should taste. Without gimmicks or shortcuts, sacrificing character for convenience, Buffalo Trace succeeds by focusing on fundamentals rather than chasing trends or marketing opportunities. Brown sugar, orange peel, and caramel notes create balanced complexity, rewarding careful tasting while remaining satisfying for casual consumption. Oak influence provides structure without overwhelming fruit and vanilla notes, while the clean finish demonstrates proper distillation technique. Creamy texture and long finish justify the growing reputation that's made this bourbon increasingly difficult to find at retail prices. This is bourbon that's built its following through word-of-mouth recommendations rather than advertising campaigns. Buffalo Trace proves the best products often fly under the radar until quality creates its own demand. Sometimes excellence is its own marketing strategy. Maker's Mark stands alone, like a red wax-sealed monument to doing things right. This wheated bourbon emerged with uncompromising commitment to quality making. Other distilleries seem like they're phoning it in. Maker's Mark is #1 on our list because it achieves what every other bourbon on this list is trying to do. It's complex enough to impress whiskey snobs, smooth enough to convert skeptics, affordable enough to drink regularly, and distinctive enough that you'd recognize it blind in a lineup. It doesn't win by being the oldest, the rarest, or the most expensive. It wins by being consistently excellent at a price point that doesn't require you to justify the purchase. The decision to use soft winter wheat instead of rye creates bourbon with round sweetness and approachable character that doesn't sacrifice complexity for smoothness. Maker's Mark understood great bourbon should be welcoming rather than challenging, sophisticated rather than intimidating. Caramel, vanilla, and baking spice notes create layers of flavor unfolding gradually, rather than hitting you with everything at once. The buttery finish provides satisfaction that lingers long enough to make you appreciate what you're drinking without overstaying its welcome. The hand-dipped red wax seal represents attention to detail extending throughout the production process. This is bourbon made by people who care about bourbon rather than just profit margins, creating liquid that justifies the care invested in its creation. Maker's Mark proves sometimes the best products come from companies that refuse to compromise their vision for market demands. When you do something exceptionally well, the market eventually comes to you. The whiskey aisle is a battlefield between marketing mythology and actual liquid quality. Choose brands that earn your loyalty through excellence rather than demanding it through hype. Hit subscribe for more liquid truth, drop a comment about your worst whiskey experience, and keep your standards high and your whiskey honest.